पावसाळ्यात मडगाव ते मुंबई वंदे भारत सप्तकांतल्यान 3 दीस चलतली, तर पावसाळ्या उपरांत शुक्रार सोडून हेर सगळे दीस ही ट्रेन ह्या रुळाचेर चलतली, अशी माहिती कोंकण रेल्वेचो उपसर वेवस्थापक बबन गाडगीन दिली। मंगळारा प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हाणें भोपाळ सावन व्हर्च्युअल पद्दतीन मडगाव ते मुंबई ह्या वंदे भारत ट्रेनी सयत एकूण 5 वंदे भारत ट्रेनींचे 5वो बावटो दाखोवन लोकार्पण केल्या उपरांत गाडगे उलयताले।
Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has flagged off 5 Vande Bharat. One of them is Madgaon Mumbai Vande Bharat Express. So during monsoon period, this train will run 3 days a week, and in non-monsoon period, it will be 6 days a week. It will run daily except on Fridays. So that means from Bombay it will start in the early morning, come in the afternoon 1 o'clock. Then again return from the platform and take you to Mumbai on the same day. So that's the arrangement what we have made. And this is a semi-high-speed train, totally designed and manufactured in India under Make in India program. And there are many new features in this train, like for blind people, braille this thing is there, all the seat numbers and all this, so they can just touch and identify the seat. And for Divyangjan, this is the 8 coach formation. So in 2 coaches we have provided toilet facility for which will be suitable for Divyangjan. So in normal trains you won't find that sort of facility. Then intelligent lighting system is there. Many more features are there which are there in brochures we have highlighted. Fare will be somewhere around 1,500 to 2,000. I am not sure because we are yet to receive the fare table. But that will be inclusive of food charges.
Okay. And how would be the booking system?
It will be on PRS and IRCTC.
As usual.